Good morning, everyone. In last class, we highlight some parts of clauses and phrases. Now, I am going to discuss in details about both these parts. First of all, I like to discuss something about phrases. To go to the definition of phrases is subject list and finite verbless, means where don't have any finite verb. It is a small part of sentence. It is classified into these particular parts: noun phrases, verb phrases, adjective phrases, adverbial phrases, and prepositional phrases. Now I like to discuss in details about these definitions and examples. First of all, noun clause. Noun clause works as a noun in a sentence. Suppose in this example, he bought a decent black shirt. Here, a decent black shirt, this is fetch and this is noun phrase. Secondly, verb phrase. Verb phrase is that phrase where words or combination of words together, both main verb and helping verb, to give more information. Means, but main verbs or helping verbs work together to give more information. That is called noun phrase. That is called verb phrase. Suppose in this example, you should study. Should study. This is a verb phrase. In third form, third part is adjective phrase. Words or combination of words which works together. Words or combination of words which works together to give more information about adjective. This one adjective clause. Suppose the cost of car way too high. Here way too high. This part is adjective clause. Then adverbial clause. Words or combination of words which work together to give more information about adverb. It is adverbial clause. Suppose they done really fast. Here really fast is the part of adverbial clause. And last one, prepositional clause. Prepositional clause are the clause where word or more than words work together to give more information about preposition. They are the concept of phrases. Now I am going to turn my view towards clauses. In last class I discussed about main parts of clauses: principal, subordinate, and coordinate clauses. Today I am going to discuss subordinate clauses. There are some parts. There are three parts of subordinate clauses: subordinate noun clauses, subordinate adjective clauses, and subordinate adverbial clauses. First of all, if I discuss subordinate noun clause, what clause or which clause works as a noun in a sentence? It is called subordinate noun clause. Suppose, for example, I don't know where he lives. In this sentence, where he lives, this is a noun clause. But how can I identify? How can you know that this is an example of noun clause? Because in this sentence, if I ask a question by using what, then I will get this answer. Suppose what I don't know where he lives. So it is an example of noun clause. And secondly, adverbial clause. Adverbial clause. Here it is an example. I visited where he lives. Here where he lives, this one adverbial clause. But both are same. But how I know that this is an example of adverbial clause? Because in this case we have to ask question by using where, when, why, and how. If in this example I ask a question by using where I visited, where he lives, I get the answer. If I asking question by using where, question mark, then I will get this answer. Where I visited where he lives. If we take other example, suppose the person scold his son because he told a lie. In this case also, because he told a lie, this part is adverbial clause. Because if we ask question by using why the person scold him? Because he told a lie. So he told a lie. Because he told a lie, this part is an example of adverbial clauses. And third part is adjective clauses. Which clauses works as an adjective in a sentence? It is called adjective clauses. Here it is the example: I visit the place I visited the place where he lives. Here, in the last part of this of all three sentences, we get the same parts: where he lives, where he lives, where he lives. But how we have to identify? Here if we analyze this sentence, you will get that before this part where he lives, there we will get a noun, the place. The place here it signifies the noun. It signifies the noun. So here where he lives, this part is adjective clause. Means we in adjective clause we have to find out, we have to identify the before the main phrases, before the subordinate part of phrases, there will be a noun. Here noun is the place. These are the basic part of clauses. These are the basic concept of clauses. Three part of clauses: noun clauses, adverbial clauses, and adjective clauses. If in this case we have to we forget something to discuss about noun clause. What noun clause are used? How it replaces in a sentence? Sometimes it works as a subject, a noun clause. Sometimes works as a subject. Sometimes works as an object. Sometimes as an apposition, and sometimes as a complement. This part is very essential. Both parts very essential. It is in the sense of competitive grammar. Means in each and every competitive examination, we get questions from this two part, clauses and phrases. And students get more difficulty to identify the parts because due to their lack of knowledge about its constructions, about its structure, and about its root parts. So these are the this concept where I discussed the phrases, definition of phrases, parts of phrases along with examples, and secondly we discussed clauses, especially the parts of subordinate clauses, noun clauses, adverbial clauses, and adjective clauses. These are today's class. Okay. Thank you.